गुड इवनिंग। आई एम सुशील ग्रोवर, आई एम योर होस्ट टुडे। और आज हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं किस चीज़ को लेके कि आज हमारे पास एक स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं। और स्पेशल गेस्ट जो मैडम हरप्रीत कौर। अगर मैं
Oh,
हरप्रीत कौर की बात करूं तो उसमें ना केवल वो एक लीडरशिप कोच है, बल्कि लीडरशिप कोच के अलावा जो है लिंक्डइन में अपना आपका जो है प्रोफाइल में कैसे आप अट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को, तो उसमें उनकी एक्सपर्टीज है। तो उन्होंने बहुत सारे लोगों को हेल्प की है ब्रांड को पर्सनल ब्रांड बनाने में, और साथ में क्लाइंट अट्रैक्शन में बहुत हेल्प की है। तो हरप्रीत जी, आपका स्वागत है यहाँ पे। जस्ट दो
thank you.
शब्द आप कहिए बिफोर वी स्टार्ट।
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity so that I can put, my words and what exactly I do. And this is the great initiative, the platform that you have given to all of us. We women, we are leading in this thing. So just want to say thank you.
चलो, मैं बता रहा था कि यहाँ पे तो हमारे वुमेन लेडीज की मेजोरिटी है। आई एम द
Yes,
अलोन।
yes.
सारी लेडीज ने यहाँ पे पूरा
Yeah, that
कब्जा किया
what
हुआ है यहाँ
I,
पे।
yeah, yeah.
दैट्स
So
ग्रेट। तो
yeah, we all are
ग्लैड टू सी
ladies
सो
here.
मेनी लेडीज। सो
Mm.
हरप्रीत जी, पहले तो लिंक्डइन के बारे में बात करने से पहले सबसे पहले तो हम ये जानना चाहेंगे कि ये सफर कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ। आपने एमबीए किया, एचआर में किया, और फिर तो ये सफर
Yes,
लिंक्डइन
sir.
का कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ वो थोड़ा बताइए।
Yeah, so my journey, I started with, lecturer. I've done MBA, UGC Net Clear, then I got PGDBM, then I went for the interview, and then I got the lecturership. So I started with one of the IP affiliated college,
हम्म।
and there taught MBA students. So the whole journey was really good. I have 9 years of teaching experience. Then, after this conceiving my second daughter, so doctor told me, no, it's time to rest. So I was wondering, should I go with my job, or should I, leave and take rest? And then at that point of time, I thought, okay, take rest and then I will start. But once you have kids, you are bombarded with so many responsibilities. Oh, you have to do this, or you have to do this. So then I thought of, okay, I will not do the job. I will do something of my own. Then my hunt started. I started writing, and then I did few courses, online courses. Even I started my online journey, teaching journey. But there something was missing. I knew it that I wanted something, because I am a writer inside. Writing is from the childhood days. I'm writing something, so I have that that passion for writing. So I started with content writing, then copywriting, then I started posting on LinkedIn, and then through LinkedIn I got clarity, and slowly things started moving on. And till now I work with the communication coach. I worked with different mentors also. And now I'm working with a cosmetic brand, and where I'm helping the natural cosmetic, eco-friendly cosmetic brand, that how to grow, and you know creating their content strategy, things like that. Even I have published a ebook on this LinkedIn client attraction system. So this is what I was, and this is now I am.
दैट्स
So
ग्रेट, दैट्स ग्रेट।
with different tips, techniques, I've learned
चलो,
that thing which is working on LinkedIn. Yes,
टेक्निक से
yes.
पहले तो मैं ये बताना चाहूंगा कि मेरे जैसे, क्योंकि मुझे अगर 6 महीने या 1 साल पहले अगर मुझे प्रोनाउंस भी करना होता था कि लिंक्डइन बोलते कैसे हैं, तो मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था कि ये
Mm,
लिंक्डइन कैसे बोलते कैसे हैं। तो आई एम
yes.
श्योर कि मेरे जैसे बहुत सारे लोग होंगे कि उसको लिंक्डइन बोलना जो है, तो ये भी एक कला है। तो देखा कि हाँ भी इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसे है, तो आई एम श्योर कि मेरे जैसे नए लोग भी ऐसे होंगे। तो अगर किसी ने अपने लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल में जाना हो, लिंक्डइन के थ्रू बिजनेस करना हो, तो किसको जाना चाहिए, क्यों जाना चाहिए, तो ये थोड़ा हरप्रीत जी बताइए।
So LinkedIn is a social media platform. Basically, here you will not find anybody. Here it is a professional network. So if you are somebody, who want to establish yourself as an authority, you are a coach, you are a consultant, or you are, you want to establish yourself as an go-to expert. So LinkedIn is your platform.
राइट राइट। तो
Yes.
इसमें जो बेसिकली अगर ये देखा जाए कि इसमें बहुत सारे लोग जो गलतियां हैं, जैसे मैं अपनी बात बताऊं कि मेरा जो था 6 महीने से ये पूरा का पूरा अकाउंट ही ब्लॉक हो गया। नो ईमेल, नथिंग, कुछ उसका रिस्पांस नहीं आया। क्या करना है, क्या चीज करनी है, तो कुछ एक मिस्टेक्स जो हैं नए लोग कर जाते हैं। तो कुछ एक मिस्टेक्स बताएंगे कि जब लिंक्डइन में प्रोफाइल बनाए तो क्या क्या गलतियां ना करें।
So सबसे पहले I think people they do us the big mistake on LinkedIn is that they put any kind of banner. So your headline, your banner, it should be eye-catching. What it is that whosoever is landing onto your profile, what they should see. So it is the banner. That is the visual branding. So you can't keep a mountain picture or any banner or a photo of a river, something. If people put things like that, I've seen. So banner is, where it should be something that should be related to what you do and how you do and with your results, if you want to get clarity on that.
तो इसमें कई बार हम देखते हैं कि जैसे इंस्टाग्राम पे तो जैसे मर्जी कुकिंग की भी रील्स आ जाती हैं आपकी। बाकी जो है आदमी नहा रहा है, घूम रहा है, जो भी कर रहा है तो अपनी रील्स डाल देता है। तो लिंक्डइन में कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं कि क्या चीजें
नहीं
डालनी
सर।
चाहिए, प्रोफेशनलिज्म कैसे मेंटेन किया
Yes,
जा
it
सकता है।
is more of professional company pages. Even, people, they are networking for all sorts of business which is happening. You can get clients if you are a coach, if you are a consultant. So it is more of a marketing game. Here you cannot post of, what your wife is doing in the kitchen or you are posting. So those random things, they are not working on LinkedIn. Yes,
तो
and
उसको
for
कैसे।
Instagram, it is, it is more of entertainment. People, they are, they are watching Instagram because something they get out of it. That is the entertainment, entertainment, and entertainment. So
जैसे हमारे
Instagram.
बीच में बहुत सारे ऑथर्स भी हैं, तो अगर ऑथर्स को अगर लेके चलें तो किस तरह का, मतलब कि बिजनेस किस तरह से लिंक्डइन के थ्रू आ सकता है और क्या क्या स्टेप्स लेने चाहिए, थोड़ा उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए।
So LinkedIn is, is a platform where you can educate your audience. First, you should know about your target audience, like to whom I am writing or to whom I am targeting. So if you are clear about it, so you can educate your audience, you can inspire them, and even you can, motivate them. So there are different types of posts that you can have. It can be a single post, carousels, or it can be a video post. Today, people, they are posting videos on LinkedIn as well. So that depends. Like you should be clear on your target audience. You should be clear about the type of content that you want on LinkedIn.
सो इसमें जैसे अभी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म में लिंक्डइन हो गया, इंस्टाग्राम हो गया, यूट्यूब हो गया, फेसबुक हो गया। तो अगर सपोज कोई कंटेंट अगर बना भी रहा है यहाँ पे, तो वो कंटेंट बनाने में उसको एक कंटेंट बनाया तो ऐसा है कि वही वो चारों में बना दे या उसको कस्टमाइज करना होता है।
Yeah, that depends, sir. Like on LinkedIn, basically, you can share your personal stories. You can share expert tips, industry insights also. And what else? You can inspire people. So through different, like if what is happiness? So you can relate happiness with your personal story, your own experience, like something that you did 10 years back and now you are here. So how you reach this? So your goals, your client testimonials, what are your experiences? So you can post those things so that people, they can connect. Personal stories are the best way to connect. You can connect emotionally. You can connect with humans. So that is the connection. So, and LinkedIn is a platform where you can share your personal stories, insights. You can share your expert tips, industry trends which are going on. So those things, the content matters when you're posting.
तो इसमें हरप्रीत जी एक चीज और आती है कि जैसे हमने लिंक्डइन में जैसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने, जैसे आपने खुद जो है अपना एक गैप लिया, मतलब कि जो ड्यू टू किड्स या अदर रीजंस भी कई लोग जो हैं वो गैप्स ले लेते हैं, अपना रेगुलर जॉब हो, बिजनेस हो, जिसमें भी रेगुलर गैप लिया, उस गैप के बाद दे स्टार्ट देयर कैरियर। तो
Hmm.
उसमें जब वो स्टार्ट करते हैं करियर, तो उसमें अब प्रोफाइल मुझे बनाना है और दैट इज ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट। तो
Hmm.
मुझे फिर भी अपनी बैकग्राउंड देना मैंडेटरी है, या ऑल टुगेदर आई कैन गिव न्यू थिंग्स? जैसे अगर
Yeah.
लिंक्डइन में आ गए, सपोज मैं एक एग्जांपल लेता हूँ कि जैसे
Hmm.
लिंक्डइन में आप आए, तो उसमें
Hmm.
ठीक है कि मैंने ग्रेजुएशन कहाँ से की, कॉलेजिंग कहाँ से की, वो ठीक है। लेकिन बाकी डिटेल्स के लिए तो मैं अपना प्रोफाइल लिंक्डइन के हिसाब से दे सकता हूँ, जो मैं नया कर
Hmm.
रहा हूँ काम। इफ आई एम
Yes.
ऑथर, मैं ऑथर के हिसाब से दे रहा हूँ, तो वो चीज है। तो कुछ ऐसा मैंडेटरी तो नहीं है कि मुझे पुराने वाला सब देना पड़ेगा
No,
डिटेल?
sir, not at all, not at all. Whatever currently you are doing, you can post about. If you want to, build authority as per your author, like you are writing book, so you want to build authority on that basis. So you can create content around your book. You can create videos. There are n number of methods. You can create carousels, single post. So that what is the idea behind posting? That should be clear. If that is clear, okay, then you can go ahead with that. Like if you are an author of art of communication, then you can teach people how to communicate. So you can educate them, inspire them, tips you can give, strategies that you can share with which one can improve their communication skills. So that what matters. So that is through your personal story. Like I started with this and now I am here. So what, the gap that you are filling is. So you can start with, with the pain points of your target, what exactly they are struggling with, what are their pain points and the desired outcome that they are looking for. Like if I want to, I want to learn communication skill, so I want to be a good speaker. I want somebody I want to build relationships. So how to start that communication? Like if I am meeting someone for the first time, then how to start? I have that anxiety when I'm meeting somebody. Then those things matter. So you should create content around such things, and then you can start your journey on LinkedIn. It's easy.
दैट्स ग्रेट। एंड
People
एक और,
post and ghost. That should not be there. Like you are posting one day and you are, leaving the platform for a month, and no, that should not. It's require consistent efforts.
तो एक और दिक्कत आती है जो लिंक्डइन में, या आप गाइड कीजिए कि अगर सपोज आज मैं अपना नया अकाउंट बनाता हूँ, तो
Hmm.
कनेक्शंस जो है, डेफिनेटली मैं अपने कनेक्शंस डालूंगा अपने नोन को। और अगर
Hmm.
जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस अपना रहा है, तो लिंक्डइन में अगर मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे 10 लोग हैं, तो लिंक्डइन पे एक या दो ही लोग ही हैं। तो वो फिर मैं अपने कनेक्शंस कैसे बढ़ा सकता हूँ? नंबर वन,
So
पहला
this,
क्वेश्चन तो ये है कि
okay.
हम मुझे कनेक्शंस बढ़ाने कैसे हैं। और फिर अगर सपोज अननोन लोगों को अगर मैं डालता हूं, या मेरे प्रोफाइल से मिलते जुलते लोगों को डालता हूं, तो उसमें फिर लिंक्डइन को कोई दिक्कत है कि मैं कितने डाल सकता हूं और या नहीं डाल सकता? तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा गाइड कीजिए कि क्या करना चाहिए।
Yes, sir. This is a very good question that you have asked. It is not just that people I know, I will be sending requests to them. No, it is a network that helps you to build connections. Even I don't know somebody who is in US, Canada, or but I can build relationship with them. People, who, I know my target audience. I can help a coach. I can help a founder. So if I know, I can connect with them. So LinkedIn is a platform where I can connect across the borders. So that
नहीं,
is, the something, yes.
कनेक्शन तो ठीक है, लेकिन मैंने
Hmm.
कनेक्शन अगर सपोज है समबडी सिटिंग एट यूएसए या साउथ में, नॉर्थ में, वेयर एवर, तो उस कनेक्शन में मुझे रिक्वेस्ट भेजनी है, क्या कह के मैं रिक्वेस्ट अपने आप
Yeah,
को
the first
इंट्रोड्यूस
thing
क्या
that you will
करूं?
do, yeah. So first thing that you will do, you will send a connection request. Along with that, you can send a personalized note. You can start with your hero introduction. Like,
हम्म,
you can start with, okay, I do this, I have done this, and from the past 3 years, I'm doing this. So, and slowly you can start the conversation. You can go to the profile of the person that you want to build connection. You can search about the person, and then you can leave a comment on that post where he has posted, and then you can appreciate the person. Okay, you have done a wonderful, I am following you from the last few days, and then you can start the conversation like, okay, I really, I feel really resonated with your post, and I feel humbled that you have posted this, and then you can start the conversation this way.
और ये हरप्रीत जी, आप रैंक भी करेंगे कि रैंक अगर सपोज मैं सोशल मीडिया पे, इंस्टाग्राम है,
Hmm.
यूट्यूब है, लिंक्डइन है या फेसबुक है, तो किस हिसाब से वो लिंक्डइन किस स्टेज पे आता है ये? मतलब
तो
कि
लिंक्डइन
लिंक्डइन पे क्यों
एक
जाना चाहिए, मतलब ये रैंकिंग में अगर मैं सोशल मीडिया,
हाँ,
सबसे पहले मुझे लिंक्डइन में जाना चाहिए, इंस्टाग्राम पे जाना
so
चाहिए,
that
यूट्यूब पे?
again depend आपका जो content है, if you are you know you want to build professional network, so LinkedIn is the best thing. या अगर आपको थोड़ा entertainment और वो you know you want reach and you want to post random things, even you what you do at home, what you do at office, and what are the other things that you do, then you can post on Instagram. That is blog posts, short videos, reels, and etc. Facebook is again you can connect with people. Again, there are different groups, you know, that matters when you are posting on social media. But when if I talk about only professional network, then LinkedIn is the best. If you want to get clients, you know, you want to build network, you want to build your authority on the things that you, it's LinkedIn only. And if you ask about how many connection requests that you can send, you know, minimum, I would say 15 to 20, not more than that, because it is the algorithm which is watching you. So if you send more connection requests, LinkedIn may block you. So there are certain things. And if you're using tools, free tools people are using, you know, to engage, to comment, don't use such kind of, because that will lead to problems.
तो इसमें एक ये भी आता है कि लिंक्डइन में पॉपअप्स आते हैं कि प्रीमियम आप लीजिए,
Hmm.
तो प्रीमियम लेना चाहिए, नहीं लेना चाहिए, और लेना चाहिए तो कब लेना
Yes.
चाहिए, उसके बारे में थोड़ा गाइड
Like
कीजिए।
if you are starting, so I won't suggest you to just start with LinkedIn Premium services because it is costing you around 32, 3,500. Once you are on the platform, you have done a little, you know, research kind of things. You are connecting with people. You are getting a good response out of it. You are getting engagement. You are getting, you know, people are knowing you. And you have established yourself, you know, your network is established. Now, few people, they know you that, okay, you are good at this, you are doing these things. So, okay, then once you reach, you know, 1,000 or 1,500, then if you want, your budget is there, you know, your pocket is allowing you, then you can go ahead with LinkedIn Premium services, no matter what. Like you have, you are having 1,000 LinkedIn followers or 1,500. You know, there is a myth that, okay, if I don't have 1,000 followers, I won't be getting clients on LinkedIn. So no, it's not that. You have to see with 1,000 followers also you can get clients on LinkedIn. So what matters is your the time that you're posting, the engagement strategy that you have, commenting, that will give you the visibility and reach. You will be able to connect more. You are connecting, you are also targeting the pain points. You know what exactly your audience is looking for. You are bridging that gap. You know, you're filling that gap. So that is the thing that matters.
चलो, अगर अब जैसे आपकी एक्सपर्टीज है, तो आप क्या प्रॉमिस करते हैं कि इतने आपके कनेक्शंस आ जाएंगे, इतने आपके बिजनेस आ जाएगा, या व्हाट डू यू प्रॉमिस? अगर आपके पास अगर कोई आता है नया क्लाइंट कि ये मुझे लिंक्डइन में अपना सारी चीजें करनी है, तो आप कनेक्शंस की प्रॉमिस लेते हैं, इतने कनेक्शंस हो जाएंगे, इतना नेटवर्क बन जाएगा, या इतना बिजनेस मिल जाएगा उनको, तो व्हाट डू यू प्रॉमिस? थोड़ा उसके बारे में डिटेल्स बताइए।
But it's LinkedIn is not a small game, I would say. It is a long game. For that, you need to build your consistency, dedication towards the platform. You need to be consistent like throughout. You strategically you have to post. Strategically, you have to build relationships. Strategically, you have to, you know, comment. Like I cannot comment, it's a nice post, amazing. No, things, such things don't work on LinkedIn. You have to give a thoughtful comment. You have to be very mindful when you are, you know, when you're posting on somebody's, when you are posting your post as well as you're posting on somebody's else, like you're writing a comment. So if you are, if you know the things, so you can highlight those things. There are different things that you can use. You can use different emojis, icons that you can use, and you know that gives you the more visibility. So LinkedIn is first thing that I do. I help people with the profile optimization. Then we will go with the content strategy. Once you start posting, you will get clarity. Okay, how I can grow on this platform. And slowly you will get leads, because when you are posting strategically on LinkedIn, that means you are thorough with your content, you're thorough with your offer. And you know, those things also matters, like what you are offering. So that offer should be clear. So if you have that clarity, you will get clients inbound. And there is other thing that you can do is you can outreach your clients. You can send DMs, then is ebooks. So there are different things that you can do.
No, I mean to say that a person who is very new, so he doesn't know or she doesn't know anything about this LinkedIn. So then she's delegating all the things to you, that you design a program, you design a profile optimization, you do everything. So everything is given to you. So how you provide those services, and that this is for on monthly basis, quarterly basis, or one time you charge. So tell us, the audience, a little
No,
bit
it is
about it.
not. Okay, it is not a short-term, relationship that we build, because once you are in on the platform or you are onboarded, so you will get a clarity. Okay, this first you will get clarity on like how LinkedIn actually work. So you will get clarity. Then we will, once you are onboarded, then you will get clarity about. First thing is that you will get clarity about LinkedIn. Then is the second step is your profile optimization. Then you work with on your content strategy. Then we will research about your competitors, like what they are doing, what is working for them. We can analyze it, and then we can analyze your whole LinkedIn profile, analytics working or not, and then whether you are getting leads, inbound leads or not. And so there are different things that that has to be taken care of. So slowly and
That means
slowly. So it is not a short game. If somebody, if client says that, okay, I want, I want to have that success on LinkedIn in 15 days or 20 days. So that is not possible. You have to be consistent on the
just I
platform.
wanted to ask before, if this you have found these packages, because time is money. You will be investing time. So when you have expertise, आपके पास expertise भी है, आपके पास जो है knowledge भी है. उस knowledge को जब आपको कोई आप किसी client को देंगे ये सारी knowledge, तो उससे definitely आप expect करेंगे कि हाँ जी revenue आए. तो वो पैकेजेस क्या हैं, वो उसमें डिफरेंट, इट इज मंथली बेसिस, वन टाइम, या इट इज नॉमिनल, इट इज शेयरिंग बेसिस. थोड़ा इलेबोरेट करेंगे, सो दैट कि यहाँ पे जितने लोग भी हैं, एटलीस्ट मैं तो अपना टर्न की प्रोजेक्ट देना चाहूंगा. आई डोंट वांट टू फॉल इनटू कि लिंक्डइन का मुझे ये नहीं आता, वो नहीं आता,
Yes, yes.
पूरा प्रोजेक्ट.
So for that, I am going to take a clarity call on that. Whosoever is interested, they can ping me. I will give a clarity call, and on the basis of it, we need to customize it. Like, your demand or your services are different. So on the basis of it, it has to be customized. So for everyone, there is a customized package. I need to check like what, what things that you have. Like your profile is optimized, you have a good content strategy. So then we can move ahead with that. So it is, don't be salesy, don't be, if you want something out of it, I am there to help you. So that there is nobody. Yes.
Right. So now we would ask the audience, they can unmute themselves and then ask questions, because in my mind, whatever the questions were there, so I have asked. Audience में से कोई पूछना चाहेगा?
One thing I would like to share, one more thing, like, I believe in helping women. Why?
Right.
Because I, being a woman, I know I am, I'm a good daughter, I'm a good wife, but what I am doing for myself. So that's why, my passion has encouraged me. It has motivated me to, to do something. So everybody is living a life, but what is, what extra thing that you are doing for yourself? So I'm always ready to help women who are, who want to start their journey or who have already started their journey. So
तो मैं आपके पास आऊं,
that
मना
is
तो
my
नहीं कर
motto.
देंगे मुझे?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm always there.
चलो, yes,
So
audience
I
से
want
कोई.
to give power and freedom to, and
That's great. That's
yes,
noble
to
cause. वो
all the
तो
lovely women out there.
वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट तो मस्ट है, क्योंकि मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था कि उसमें बोला था कि इफ यू एजुकेट ए मेल,
Woman,
तो यू
yes.
एजुकेट वन पर्सन. लेकिन
Yeah.
अगर आप यू एजुकेट फीमेल, तो
Educating
यू
a female, then you're
एजुकेट
educating a whole
द
family.
कंप्लीट जनरेशन. So
Yes,
that's
yes, yes.
true. So I also believe in that. So any questions from the audience, you can unmute and ask. Would like to go first? Yes, Tamali, go ahead.
Hi.
Hi.
It was very nice listening to you because you have solved many questions already. So, what will I want to ask you something related. Since we are all authors out here, so let's talk about how LinkedIn can be used for us. So suppose like I had to send some request to some people, you know, hi, like very famous people for reviewing my book and all. But वो तो हुआ नहीं क्योंकि they didn't even reply also. But anyways, other than that, can you suggest me how can I increase my book, like, you know, exposure, my book exposure to a larger audience? Suppose like frequently, how frequent should I post regarding my book on LinkedIn,
No,
and
no,
what
there
are
are
the ways?
different. Okay,
What
if
are the
I
ways
talk
of
about,
posting?
okay, I understood. If I talk about only LinkedIn, but there are different platforms. You are, I think, very much active on Instagram. So you
Yes,
can
yes.
post different stories on on Instagram. So stories like you can ask your audience certain questions related to your topic.
No, no, I'm asking
And
about LinkedIn. In
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn,
Okay, so
yeah.
preferably,
Since the
okay, if
expertise
you're
in that,
asking
I'm
only
asking you that.
about LinkedIn, so here you
Yes.
can start like you have first is your profile optimization. You need to clarify like what you want to do exactly on LinkedIn. So that is the first thing. Then create content around your book. You can post videos, okay, single format stories. You can connect more with the people if you post personal stories. So that is the thing that you can do
It's like a
as
video,
an
like
author.
doing a video. Video. You're talking about video.
You can make a video, you can create content that actually resonates with you. You need to check the pain points of your target audience, like what they are struggling with and what is their dream outcome. So once you do that, you will be able to create content around it. You can ask questions, you can, polls are there. Then you can, like on Monday, you can post a story post, personal story. Then yeah, on Tuesday you can share an inspirational quote or related to your area or to your related to your niche. Then on Thursday or Wednesday you can post an educational post, like you want to educate people about the topic that you are talking about, your niche. And then you can on Thursday you can talk about something, the problems that you have solved, what results you have got for yourself or for your clients. Then on Friday you can have a poll. You can ask your audience like what problems they are facing, and then you can create content. There are different platforms that you can take help from. Answer the Public, where people, they are posting different questions. You can take the help from that site. Then you have Quora. Then
Yeah.
there also people, they are posting. You can take help from Medium. There are so many people are posting stories and their content, they're writing on different topics. So you can take the help from that, and you can create content, take the help. You can take inspiration, and you can also check your competitors, like what is working for them and what how it can help you. So you can take inspiration and you can start your journey, because
Okay.
it's slowly and steady you will get clarity on that.
And how often should we post? Like how often should
Yeah,
how
minimum
frequent it should?
3 to 4. Yeah, minimum three
In
to
a,
four. Like once in a week. It's not once in a week, 3 to 4 in a
times
week.
in a week. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay,
So
thank you so
you,
much. Yeah. Okay, yes, 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 yes.
okay. I
बोलिए
was
बोलिए
just,
क्या बोल रहे थे?
yeah, you can you can have different content themes, you can have different content pillars, and then you can have different content formats. Like if you want to post a single post, carousels, image, videos, polls, so you can experiment those things.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine,
तो
fine.
इसमें
Thank you.
जो एक और क्वेश्चन आया, आई थिंक तमाली योर क्वेश्चन गेट्स आंसर्ड. यस, ग्रेट. सो जस्ट मैं इसी से एक और क्वेश्चन आ रहा है कि जैसे जो एक्टिव नहीं है सोशल मीडिया, मतलब एक्टिव मींस पता नहीं है कि कैसे करना है, तो ये कराउजल बनाना, ये सब बनाना, तो ये इट इज
One,
लर्नेबल, इट शुड बी गिवन टू
yes,
थर्ड
you can
पार्टी.
take the help of free tool. Canva is there. You can have the premium one also. If you are using a free tool like Canva, there you have a watermark. So that watermark, you can take a premium version of it. And Canva is a very easy tool. Even I am also using it. I am creating different things. You can even make your ebook cover as well. So it's very easy. Very easy
राइट.
to use.
नम्रता जी, यस, गो अहेड, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Hi,
Yeah, good
Harpreet.
evening. Yeah, hi.
Such a wonderful session, a thought-provoking session, I must say.
Yeah,
Though
thank you.
I'm using LinkedIn from past, I think, 10, 11 years
Mm-hmm.
as a professional. platform, but I have two queries. I think I must have asked you before also. Um, Related to the verify thing, there is a verification thing.
Even I
Every time
haven't
it
done.
comes, how it
Yeah,
will,
yeah.
affect. Maybe some DigiLocker or
You
something,
know,
I think we
yes,
have
yes,
discussed.
yeah.
So I want to know more about it. Is it safe to go ahead
Yes,
with that?
yes, yes. Yeah,
And what are the
when,
benefits of it? I mean,
yeah.
the profile will be highlighted if I, go ahead. Have you come
No, it
across
is the
this
trust
trend?
factor
Sorry?
with LinkedIn. That is a truth. It is building trust with
All right.
whosoever you are connecting with. You're networking with people and you have done
Mm-hmm.
this you are verified on LinkedIn. That means you have thorough, with your these things. Like
Yeah,
it
that's
is
fine.
about.
But my question is how to go about. I want to know more about because I'm little
Even I haven't
reluctant,
done that thing
Yeah.
because even I'm also
अच्छा,
Please
postponing
let
it.
me know
I
if
Whenever
you
I
are
will do
going.
it,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
will
Please do
inform.
share
Yeah,
with us.
no worries, no
And the
worries.
second
yes,
query I
Because
asked you, I think in the morning,
um,
about people when they write a comment on some post or something. I have seen huge comments are there. How often should we use what are the tools to use that, like chat GTP prompters or something you can put some highlight on?
you can take the help of Chat GPT, but people, they're very smart. They will come to
Yeah,
know, okay, this is a Chat
exactly.
GPT. Yeah.
But I
Okay,
think
this
most
is
of the people,
from
they are
Chat.
using, you can
Yeah, they
make
are
out.
doing it, but again, there is a strategy that you have to have that, like, you should be clear with the hook. Like if you're writing, what will attract your readers, that why they should read it. So there should be a hook.
All right.
Hook is the headline that I'm talking about. So that is attracting my audience to read it. People these days, they are skim your post. They have a habit of, avoiding. So you have to write your content in a way that is easy to read, understandable, easy language that you're using. So that is what makes your, post. So it
To
is
reach
not that
our
you're
target
posting
audience.
once you
Yeah.
have started posting on LinkedIn. So it is not that you have to just post, okay, today I'm posting, I'm giving. So, but you have to, because I am using that LinkedIn hour. I have a LinkedIn hour in the morning and in the evening where I engage with people. I comment on their post, and, once commenting on others' post.
Got it. Thank you so much, Harpreet. Thank
that's
you.
great. So Pooja, yes, go ahead,
Yes,
unmute yourself.
yes, yeah. It's already unmuted. Hello, everyone, and hi, Harpreet.
Yeah,
And
I was disconnected.
yes, okay. I'm new to LinkedIn. Actually, I tried multiple times to open an account, but it always went. When I went back, then coming to that captcha, that verification, and also I always used to. And one question which I wanted to ask, the Tamali also already asked. And the second question I wanted to Namrata asked, but still I have one more doubt. See, when being an author, when if I wanted to establish my authority as an author on LinkedIn, can I use the same marketing posters or the videos which I'm posting in the Instagram on the same on this LinkedIn?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah, there are different. That is the content format plus the content size that matters. If you're posting reel, so the size on Instagram that you're posting is different, and the size on LinkedIn is different. So you need to just check it, and then you can post those things. You can customize it according to the platform.
But I suppose that in that case, what happens that when I am posting, suppose Instagram reel, that I am posting the link only. So when I post link, so that when link is opened, that automatically directs that
Okay.
page to the Instagram. So
But
that can be
no,
used.
no,
Uh,
but that is not working. No, you have to write, because people on LinkedIn, they love reading, so they are there. Yeah, so they will connect more when you write. Hook them with your attention grabbing headline, and then there is a format for writing. Your headline matter, call to action matters, your body matters. So any question that you can start with. So writing the post is that should be good.
So just like in Medium, we have a title, subtitle, and an article, and a body, or its introduction, body, and the conclusion. That way, like in Medium platform, the same way it matters
Medium,
the
yeah,
format.
it is on Medium, you can post lengthy content, but
Yeah,
on
but
LinkedIn, it is not that, yeah.
what to what extent can we
Like there is a
post?
headline, then headline is for attention grabbing. Then you can ask a question,
Sure.
you can start with this, and then you can use your body like again. And then at the end, there is a call to action, and you can ask PS question like you want your audience to, to share their experience, or what if they have done something like that. So that is the structure
Okay.
of writing.
Okay, I have
Yes.
fine. I have one more doubt. The moment we start a LinkedIn account and we start posting it, is it necessary that we grab the followers immediately the moment we open an account?
Mm-hmm.
Or else
No,
we
no,
need no,
no, no,
right?
no, no.
So
It's
we
not
just
that. So
start an account posting
if you
our
are starting, you can share your, personal story like, hey, I am Kunjam. I'm a doctor turned an author. Now my journey started with
okay,
this. So
okay.
you can build connections. So you're starting, so you can say hi, hello, and then slowly you can start networking. Send 15, 20 connection requests daily. Send a personalized note as well, like. And
Okay.
if you have read a post, yeah, you can appreciate the creator that you have, I really resonated with your post and I feel so you can start with this. So conversations should happen, it
Yes,
should
yes.
start. So this is the way.
So the count 15 to 20 is per day,
Yeah,
right?
you can start with
The
10,
count of
because
I
once you
mean,
start, you
what you
get used
mentioned,
to
the
it,
count
then
is
you
in
can,
for
yeah,
1 day.
yeah.
And okay, sure.
Connect
Yeah,
with 5 people in a day, and then you can send a personalized note, and slowly you will build the momentum, and then you can start. So you will
okay,
enjoy it.
okay.
Yes.
Thank you,
So
Harpreet.
in the interest
Thank you
of
for the
time,
insight.
because we are running fast, we want that Harpreet to go on and reach us. लेकिन हमारे पास limitation है time की. One more question we can take if somebody wants to who would like to unmute and ask
We are
question. One
8
last
people
question.
here.
Yes. Anyone? Yes, Monica ji. Yes, go ahead. Unmute yourself. Yes.
Yeah, hi,
Yeah, hi.
Hello.
Harpreet.
Yeah.
Hi. Yeah, I am a LinkedIn content creator as well. Whatever I write and create videos, I post there as well. So I have around 1200 followers.
Great.
So is there any tips to grow more?
You can send on daily basis, you can send connection requests, you can connect with people, you can send a personalized note.
And
Visibility is not a vanity. You will get
okay.
visibility
And
once
whoever
you
sends
connect.
the connection request, do I need to accept all?
No, not all. You need to check
Okay.
like with whom you want to build connections, and you will
Okay.
get results out of it. So you have to check your
Okay. Earlier, I was
target
not
persona.
understanding this and I was accepting all. Now I'm filtering people who are in my
Like
niche.
if I can give my services to the coaches, okay, I can.
Okay.
So what all type of coaches? I cannot serve everybody. I
Yeah.
have to, I have to have that clarity in my mind. So
Okay.
that is the thing that you should be clear about.
Okay. And
If I
is it necessary to take the paid version?
Not necessary. Even we have already discussed that if you're starting out, you can experiment yourself. Like you can connect with people. You can also have that you can network with people, and you can have that networking call. You can connect with people, and if somebody is, really doing well, you can connect and you can ask them like tips and strategies that they have shared. So maybe they are ready to share it with you. So you can build a rapport with them, and then you can slowly, once, people will help you. They are very good on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
It is a professional and they are always ready to help.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is
Yeah.
just
Thank
that,
you very much.
something that is holding us back. So show up. Nobody can stop you. It is just that you have to build that trust. Show up every day. Yeah. Sometimes we have that fear. Okay, I cannot, I cannot write, or I will not get good response. No. Start posting, start writing, start engaging, start networking. Slowly, you will build the momentum and you will get clarity and you will get a good engagement, number of followers, everything. Even I'm also working on it.
Okay, thank you very
Yes,
much.
yes, yeah.
That's great. So, friends, Harpreet ji, many thanks for
Thank
coming
you,
to
sir.
this platform of Voices of Inspiration and inspiring lot many people. तो बहुत सारे लोगों को इंस्पायर करने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आने के लिए। और मैं आप सबको इस प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू ये भी बताना चाहूंगा कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू हम जो है कि हर हफ्ते जो है फ्राइडे 8 PM हम जो है इनवाइट करते हैं कुछ इसी तरह, जैसे हरप्रीत जी ने आज आपको एनरिचमेंट दी, एनलाइटनमेंट दी लिंक्डइन के बारे में, ऐसे वही छुपी हुई जो प्रतिभा है आप सब में है, तो उस प्रतिभा को जागने के लिए, जगाने के लिए या लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए, आप में तो है लेकिन उसको लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए ये हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म है। तो अगर सपोज कोई भी इंटरेस्टेड है तो वो मुझे डायरेक्ट मैसेज करके अपना ये ले सकते हैं कि फ्राइडे, लेकिन नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे हमारा ऑलरेडी बुक्ड है और नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे हम आपको एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन स्पेशल गेस्ट से मिलवाने जा रहे हैं और वो स्पेशल गेस्ट यू विल बी गेटिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन इन द मेन टाइम, लेकिन मिस मत कीजिए क्योंकि आप
यू आर क्रिएटिंग सस्पेंस नाउ।
नहीं, आप सस्पेंस मैं आप लोगों के लिए दूर कर देता हूं कि यहाँ पे है कि डॉक्टर तमाली सिन्हा है नेक्स्ट हमारे जो गेस्ट है, स्पेशल गेस्ट। सो डॉक्टर तमाली सिन्हा, सो शी विल बी हियर। सो क्या है कि हर एक में कुछ ना कुछ नई चीजें, आज मुझे पूरा उम्मीद है कि बहुत सारी लिंक्डइन के बारे में बहुत सारे डाउट्स, बहुत सारी चीजें दूर हुई। और उसके अलावा जो है कि एक बार कई बार ये है कि प्रोफेशनल हेल्प, कि हम टीम वर्क है तो टीम वर्क में हो सकता है कि लिंक्डइन में हम कहीं पे अटक जाएं, तो अटक जाएं, एटलीस्ट वी कैन कॉल, तो उसमें एक तो कॉल का फायदा होगा। फिर अगर सपोज इफ यू फील कि नहीं ये मेरे बस का है ही नहीं है, तो लिंक्डइन का हरप्रीत जी आप ही संभालो सब जो संभालना है, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबिलिटी। तो
one thing I would like to add, sir, sorry to interrupt you in between. If you want to have that clarity, you can read my ebook. That is a step-by-step guide where you will get clarity about, you will get the content strategy, like what should be your content. Like it is specifically for, I mentioned for coaches, but it can be applied for anyone. Okay, you can customize it according to you, and then there are DM scripts also, 3 I've provided, and then that is that is a base point that you can start with. And if you have any problem, reach out to me. I'm there always with you.
और वैसे भी आपकी जो बुक है ऑलरेडी मेरी ई बुक लाइब्रेरी में ऑलरेडी है, और लाइब्रेरी में ऑलरेडी मेरी जो है 7-8 बुक्स ऑलरेडी हैं, और 1 by 1, बिकॉज क्या है कि रिव्यू मुझे जो है अपना ये अच्छा तब लगता है कि मैं पढ़ के दूं रिव्यू। तो ऑल रिव्यूज जितने भी मैंने दिए हैं वो मैंने पढ़ के दिए हैं रिव्यू। तो डेफिनेटली आपकी भी मेरी लाइब्रेरी में है, तो वो जैसे ही वो कंप्लीट होती है, और अभी मेरी जैसे ही ये ई बुक, ये ऑथर्स प्लेटफॉर्म जैसे ही आया ना सामने, तो मेरी भी पढ़ने की हैबिट जो है स्पीड थोड़ी बढ़ गई है, तो वो बढ़ गई है, तो कई बार तो रात को एक बार ली तो सुबह तक वो खत्म, तो वो चीज है। तो वो मेरी लाइब्रेरी में है। जैसे ही मैं वो बुक आपकी जैसे मैंने पूरी पढ़ी, तो उसमें से नोट्स वोट्स बना के जो क्वेरीज होंगी आपको जरूर कॉल दूंगा। और ई बुक का जो है अमेजोन जो है वहां पे अपना जो है मैंने उसका रिव्यू भी डालना है, तो वो तो
for all the authors, I'm starting a free LinkedIn course. So if you are interested, I am really happy to help all of you. Okay, so it is all free, so you can take the help and you can start your journey on LinkedIn. So that is what I can do.
वाह, ये तो आपने बोनस दे दिया हम सबको।
Yes, this is bonus for everyone. So I will be announcing it soon.
अच्छा, ये बोनस मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स, रिलेटिव्स, नेबर्स को दे सकता हूँ?
Yes sir, yes sir.
चलो ठीक है।
It is not about taking and taking. It is something that you want to give
ना
So
ना
I'm
ठीक
really
है,
happy to help. Yes.
दैट्स
So
ग्रेट,
if you
दैट्स
are
नाइस।
really keen, you want to start your journey on LinkedIn, Instagram, I'm there to help you. Whatever I have learned so far, I will be implementing it, and I will be really happy to see all of you growing and, you know, reaching the dreams that you have. So
दैट्स सो नाइस ऑफ यू। तो
yeah,
एक बार फिर मैं धन्यवाद करता हूं हरप्रीत मैडम का कि उन्होंने वॉइसेस ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन में अपना बहुमूल्य समय दिया। और
thank you,
इसी के
sir.
साथ हम ऑडियंस का भी धन्यवाद देते हैं जिन्होंने इंटरेक्शन किया, क्योंकि एक इंटरेक्शन होता है तो हो सकता है कि एज ए होस्ट मुझे मालूम है कि मैंने 4 क्वेश्चंस पूछे, तो हो सकता है कुछ क्वेश्चंस रह गए हों। तो जब हमारे ऑडियंस पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं तो उसमें और ज्यादा एक जो पॉडकास्ट में और एक ना लाइवलीनेस आ जाती है। तो उसके लिए ऑडियंस का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। सो अब हम इस पॉडकास्ट को यहीं खत्म करते हैं, और अगले हफ्ते फ्राइडे 8 PM हम आपके साथ एक नए गेस्ट के साथ, नए स्पेशल गेस्ट के साथ दोबारा मिलेंगे। सो
Thank you,
नेक्स्ट वीक
sir,
मिलते
for
हैं।
inviting and for giving me this platform to share my insights. I'm really thankful. Uh,
थैंक
yes.
यू
Thank you,
सो मच।
Thank
Harpreet.
you, everyone. Yes.